Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to all of our customers' needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.